Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Asus RP AC56 wireless repeater. The Asus RP AC56 is a dual-band wireless repeater that helps extend your Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate dead zones. It supports speeds up to 1,200 megabits per second and comes with external antennas for better signal strength and stability. Perfect for boosting Wi-Fi in larger homes or offices. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, unbox the repeater box. Inside the Asus RP AC56 wireless repeater box, you get the RP AC56 device, a quick start guide to help with setup, and a warranty card. Everything is neatly packed and ready for an easy installation experience. Now plug the RP AC56 into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait about 1 minute for the power LED on the RP AC56 to turn solid green. This means it's powered on and ready. On your Wi-Fi router, locate the WPS button, usually marked WPS or a symbol with 2 arrows. Press the WPS button on the router. The WPS LED on the router should start blinking. This blinking means the router is searching for a WPS device to connect to. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS on your router, press and hold the WPS button on the RP AC56 for about 2 seconds until the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz LED starts blinking. This blinking means the RP AC56 is trying to connect to the router. Wait for connection to complete. The 2.4 GHz and or 5 GHz LED on the RP AC56 will turn solid green, means strong connection. Once successfully connected, you can unplug the RP AC56 and move it to a spot midway between your router and the area with weak signal. That's it. You've successfully set up your Asus RP AC56 using WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.